So if you want to hide the active status on Facebook Messenger, basically people can see when you are online and when you are not. That's very possible, and also they won't see that when they will be in the chat with you. So that being said, this is what I want to present you today, where you can enable that feature on. So to hide it, we'll have to head into the Facebook Messenger. Then you will have the menu on the upper left side of the screen. Press on that, then you will have a gear icon. I will leave an arrow on the screen. Let's hit that gear icon, and right underneath you should find where was that privacy and safety. We'll have to reach inside that, and down below under what people see you can find active status. Let's head inside, and as you can see, mine are marked on right now. If I mark off them, my friends will not see me online again, but I will also not see when they will be online, so keep that in mind just as a matter of fact. And that was it. So it works in both ways, and this is the minus, the fact that you also won't see when they will be online. That being said, I really hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Don't forget to give us a like or any comment. Bye bye.